It begins with a sunrise. Golden light spills over turquoise waters, where a child's paper boat drifts gently into the jungle river. Around it, the world awakens. Lush palms sway, waterfalls cascade, and the air hums with the promise of a new day. This is Damac Islands, where paradise isn't a dream. It's your address. Step into a morning where the aroma of fresh papaya mingles with the sound of laughter. A family gathers on their villa terrace, overlooking the Maldives-inspired lagoon. Children feed swans, their joy rippling across the water. Here, every moment is a memory in the making, where life feels like a perpetual escape. Wander deeper and you'll find secret corners where time slows. A couple glides through the Bali-inspired waterways, bamboo groves framing their journey. A hidden waterfall appears, its mist catching the sunlight. This is where nature whispers, and hearts find peace. From the gourmet kitchens of your villa, where chefs craft Michelin-worthy meals, to the thrill of the jungle swing soaring over crystal lagoons. This is life amplified. Dive into the aqua dome, let the kids splash in the water park, or simply unwind at the waterfall lagoon. Every day here is a celebration of living, but this isn't just a home, it's a legacy. With just 24% to secure your oasis and 44% to flip for fortune, Damac Islands is Dubai's crown jewel. Watch your investment grow by 20% every year as demand for this waterfront paradise skyrockets. They're already here. The visionaries, the elite. Over 3,000 units sold and the world is taking notice. Celebrities, investors, and families are claiming their slice of paradise. Will you join them, or will you let this chance slip away? Picture this, a moonlit wedding at the waterfall lagoon, petals swirling as the couple dances. Years later, an elderly couple stargazes from their Seychelles-inspired villa, their grandchildren playing in the garden. This is where generations laugh, love, and leave legacies. This is where your story begins. And it's all just minutes away. 18 minutes to Dubai Investment Park, 20 to Expo 2020, 30 to the iconic Burj Al Arab. Damac Islands isn't just a retreat, it's a gateway to everything Dubai has to offer. Your island legacy starts now, but paradise isn't eternal. The tide is rising and the world is watching. Secure your future before it's too late.